Hey guys, I'm Ann Frymark and I'm the teen programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make two different types of popsicles. It's going to be a blueberry and yogurt popsicle and a strawberries and cream one. So a few different things you're going to need is some sugar, some blueberries, vanilla extract, some milk, some almond butter, some strawberries, and yogurt. And then of course you'll need some popsicle molds and then a blender and then some measuring cups and spoons. So go ahead and take a minute and gather all of your materials. Alright guys, once you've gathered your materials, the first one we're going to make is the blueberry and yogurt popsicle. So grab your blueberries and just toss them in. You're going to need about 3/4 a cup. And then you're going to need kind of 6 tablespoons of yogurt, or you can even say overflowing 1/4 a cup. And I'm using Greek yogurt today, but you're welcome to use any kind you want. Greek yogurt is just what I always have on hand. Okay, and we're going to add that to the blender on top of the blueberries. The next thing we're going to add is some almond butter, and I really like these little packets because it has the exact amount we need. So we're just going to squeeze that in to the blender. And then the next thing that you can add, and this part is actually optional, is some vanilla extract. And I'm just actually going to put just a drop or 2. Okay, and then once those are all in your blender, you're going to turn on your blender and pulverize it. Once everybody is all nice and combined, you're going to grab popsicle molds and pour it in. Even use a spoon or whatnot to kind of get the last stretches. Okay, and so that's our first popsicle. Go ahead and take a minute now and make sure you have all of the materials for making the strawberries and cream one. Guys, so now we're going to make our strawberries and cream popsicle, and the first thing you're going to need, of course, is strawberries. We'll just need about 1/2 cup, which I've already kind of measured out, and I went ahead and took the tops off. And then you're going to need 1/2 cup of milk. Just pour that right in. And then you're going to need about 1/4 cup of yogurt. And again, I'm using Greek yogurt, but you can use any kind of yogurt you have at home. Okay. And just put that right in the blender. And then we're going to sprinkle just a little bit of sugar in here. About 1/2 tablespoon or so. And then just like before, we're going to put the top on the blender and then just pulverize it. once that's done, make sure, it looks like I've got one strawberry that didn't want to blend in, so put the top right back on. Of course, we'll grab some more molds and do the same thing. And since I actually didn't fill up this one blueberry one, I'm gonna get a little creative and add some strawberry to it on top. Then grab my other molds, just pour on in. Okay, and once you've got all of that poured into your different molds, make sure to put the tops on. And then what we're gonna do next is just set them in the freezer, and you just freeze them until they're solid. All right guys, now that you've pulled your molds out of the freezer, I let mine sit overnight, but you can do several hours, just however long it takes for them to get nice and solid. To get them out of your molds, you'll just get a big bowl of hot water and just set them in there. Very carefully, make sure that the very, very top of the molds don't go under the water, because otherwise you'll have kind of a watery popsicle. And we'll kind of hold them down here for a few seconds, about 15 or so. Then wiggle it loose. So here's one of my strawberry ones. And then very kind of carefully wiggle it loose. And here is my blueberry one. And so I actually leave my popsicles in their little containers because they're just a good way to store them until you actually need them. And so I'm gonna take the rest out, just set them to the side, and you can just pop them back in the freezer and they'll be fine. So as you can see, we've got our delicious and yummy summer treats now. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.